welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I did these distressed locks over my real locks. So I'm gonna get right into it. I bought 4 packs of orange hair for 99 cents a piece. It's 100% synthetic, so it's not like good hair or anything. It's just, you know, easy braided hair. So basically I took the pack of hair and I used the Indian hemp to soften it up a little bit because it's a little coarse. I don't really plan on keeping these in long, so you know, I just want to soften it up a little bit. So of course, you know, I cut the hair in half and I softened it up with the Indian hemp, and I will brush through that. So to achieve this look, I'm going to need to get these as soft as possible because I'm going to put it in hot water so I can get a curl out of it. Okay, so to curl my hair, I'm going to use pipe cleaners because that's how I curl my locks, and I figured that it would work with straight hair as well. So I have my pipe cleaner sitting down, and basically I bend the pipe cleaner because they come straight, and I twist the pipe cleaner together, and I do that, and I leave a loop at the end, and the loop is so I can just pull the curl out, you know, without disturbing the curl. Okay, so I take the curl, well, I take the straight hair and I twist it. I twist the curl, so it's like I'm curling and twisting when I get to the top, or wrapping and twisting when I get to the top. So see how I like twist my wrist? That's so I can mock, or I can mimic the passion twist curl. So I just do that till I get to the end of the hair, and at the end it should look like a passion twist or a spring twist curl. I think it's passion twist. So I'm doing a little close up. And then I will close the end by just putting the pipe cleaner down. And this is my mock passion twist, and this is how it's going to look once I pull it out of the hot water. So I'm just going to repeat that for all 4 packs of hair, and I think it took me about I want to say between 60 and 70 pieces to do this look. So this is all my wrist work whatever, and yeah, this is all the pieces that I've done, and I'll just put that in some hot water. Well, actually I'm gonna put it in the Tupperware because I don't want the hair to like shrivel up because it's already synthetic. So I'll just pour the hot water on top of that and just like let it sit and soak for a little while, so it can get that curl. And I just kind of like, you know, make sure that the water is touching all of the hair. I didn't realize that I needed, you know, so much water because I didn't realize how many little curls I did. So I went back and I got some more hot water and poured that on top, and I'm just gonna let that sit and soak. So I'm actually going to pull out a curl early before it dries so I can just kind of show y'all what to expect. I didn't actually record all of the curls sitting there, so this is one that I just pulled out and they all ended up looking like that. So I drained my that on a towel so I can pat it dry, and I just left that overnight. To get the best results for this, this hair has got to be completely dry, so the curl will like set. If it's not dry, then it's gonna mess up the curl because it's gonna like be a little frizzy, or the curl's gonna drop. So make sure it is completely dry. Okay, so I always do this. I forgot to start recording before I start doing my hair, and I actually did, I think I did like 2. Is that 2? Okay, yeah, 2. I did 2 of those before I started to record. So as you can see, those are my little distressed locks, and I'm just gonna show you how I got that. So I definitely need a retwist, and I did not feel like retwisting my hair, so I didn't. And so I just pulled like a couple pieces that needed to be retwisted, and just kind of like, you know, calmed it down a little bit. I guess I semi retwisted some of them, but not really, not at all actually. So I'm just gonna pull my hair. I think I did about 3 to 4 locks for 1 lock, and just like how you do 4 locks. Oh, that's the hair, isn't it pretty? I want to do a wig, but just like how I did 4 locks, you just wrap the hair around, and I did it like really messy because I wanted a certain look. I didn't do it tight at all. I know a lot of people like, you know, to look really, really neat, but I wanted mine to be like distressed and curly and just kind of a little frizzy too. So just wrap my hair around 3 or 4 locks, and I did that till I got to the end of the lock, pushed it up a little bit, and that's it. So I just pushed up my hair so I can get my curls to show, so I can make sure I got that distressed look, so they can look a little messy, because like I said, I don't want it to be extremely neat. And yeah, so push my curls up, and I didn't really, you know, make my roots nice and tight either. I really do love how this hair turned out, so I'm definitely gonna make a wig, because if you know me, then you know I like big hair, and your girl hasn't had a big wig in a long time. So Y'all look out for that because I'm going to do that next because I am in love with those curls. I look like my mama. Goodness. So yeah, y'all, that's it. That's how I transformed my real locks into distress locks. Locks over locks, so it's locks squared. Oh, that's so corny, and I love it. So yeah, if y'all like what you see, I'll put a picture at the end. Make sure you guys like it, subscribe,